How to set up GUIX Studio to run on your PC. GUIX Studio enables developers to design graphical user interfaces for embedded and IoT products. One of its most useful features is to provide a runtime environment for actually running those GUIs on the PC without the need for target hardware. As projects come under pressures to meet time to market, such a rapid prototyping environment helps develop WYSIWYG interfaces even before you have prototype hardware, allowing graphical user interface developers to eliminate dependence on the availability of hardware. In order to use this feature, you'll need Microsoft Visual Studio on your PC. In this video, we'll show you how to download and install Microsoft Visual Studio and how to run your GUIX Studio projects on the PC. While any version of Microsoft Visual Studio with C++ language support may be used, we recommend using Visual Studio 2015 Express for desktop. Visual Studio for desktop is smaller than other editions, but still includes everything needed to support GUIX Studio projects for the PC. However, if you are currently using another edition, or if you plan to use Visual Studio for other work beyond support of GUIX Studio projects, then you may want to use the Community or Professional editions instead. Any of these editions will work for GUIX Studio. In this video, we will show the use of Visual Studio Express for Desktop edition. Let's download Express for Desktop. If prompted, select Keep. We will now have a smaller installer, which will perform the installation. This is the English US version. Your language version may vary. Run the installer and follow the prompts. This will install VS for Desktop. Now that we have MSVC Express 2015 downloaded and installed, let's use it to run one of the GUIX Studio projects. In the GUIX Studio folder at c/expresslogic/GUIX Studio 5.3, navigate to the Examples subfolder. In the Examples folder, you will find a number of GUIX Studio example projects. As of this video, these are the examples included. Each example folder includes a GUIX Studio project file. Let's use the thermometer example for this demonstration. Here you'll see the project file thermo.gxp, the main application source code file, demo_guix_thermo.c, and all the necessary resource files for the project. The folder also includes a graphics subfolder with project-specific graphics and a build subfolder with further subfolders for MSVC_2010 and MSVC_2015 use. We'll use the MSVC_2015 subfolder, since we'll be using the Visual Studio Express for Desktop 2015 we just downloaded and installed. Now, to launch our project, we'll double-click the thermo.sln Microsoft Visual Studio Solution file to launch MSVC 2015 Express, which will then load the Thermos project. Be sure to select the solution file, not any of the other Thermo files. To build and run this example on the PC, we simply click on the green Local Windows Debugger triangle at the top. Once built, the project will be run, and the GUI will appear in a window on the PC. Note that the GUI you see here is exactly what you will see on your target system display, pixel for pixel. It's in a window that's managed by Windows. You can drag it, close it, minimize it, etc., but the contents are generated by GUIX. GUIX actually runs on the PC using the same widget and drawing code as it uses on the target. Only the final copy screen buffer to the display operation is different for the PC. Running a complete GUI application on the PC enables developers to debug and fine-tune their GUI development without the need for a target system. This makes the GUIs easy to demonstrate without introducing any differences in appearance or operation. Of course, performance might be faster or slower than your target, depending on your PC speed and that of your target. Everything else, though, will be identical. GUIX and GUIX Studio are included with the Synergy platform and can be downloaded from the Synergy gallery at the link in the description below. The Synergy platform and its tight integration with tools such as GUIX and GUIX Studio help product development teams to reduce their dependence on prototype hardware and as a result accelerate their time to market.